Dip, singular.
Dip.
Dip ice cream.
It's just dip?
Yeah.
I can't read cursive. Hey everybody, this is Tim Warlow with the Countdown Realty team at Keller Williams in Boerne, and I'm here with Brad and his partner Jenniffer, who opened up Dip Ice Cream and the Boerne Trading Company here on Main Street. We're going to take a look around at some awesome ice cream and all of the gifts and crafts that they put together from local vendors. But first we're going to talk to Brad. So Brad, what was the idea behind this awesome shop that you guys opened up?
It all started with a junior entrepreneur initiative we wanted to create, and which we have a section dedicated just to them. But then we decided to put together like a two-headed monster so that it could survive on Main Street. So we came up with the old school dip ice cream to fit the setting, which is a house built in 1890. So we just kept putting things together until it made sense, and here we are.
So when did you guys open up?
June 1st.
June 1st, you've been here for a couple months. How's it going?
It's going well. It's a great time. Love it here.
You have a perfect location, a lot of people passing through, I'm sure. What's like your big sellers around here?
Well, of course the ice cream is super popular. People love coming by, having an ice cream on our porch, watching cars go by. But we find that a lot of people are coming here to get gifts. It's a really eclectic mix of things, and you're able to get a gift for pretty much anyone here. So we have about 17 local vendors, all doing handmade crafts, and so it's a really good place to come for a gift.
Very cool. So actually with the gifts in mind, let's take a look around and maybe you can show us a couple that you really like.
Absolutely. So we've got some beautiful resin woodwork here by Black Tie Creations. We have a fun vintage toy section here also to go with the setting, this house. In here we have some antiques, as well as a really great operator, Hill Country Antiques, making her own pillows, lots of taxidermy work, very eclectic, beautiful mix there. This is the junior entrepreneur section with Mallory doing earrings. We have Bristol with the soap, Wild Rye. We have some beautiful metal and woodwork here. Riley Vela with the teardrop, I'm like Tim, things here. We have some unique cutting boards. Come and choose anything you want for the movie night. And here we have some handmade candles for men and women. We have your yard games here. We have some macrame, which is very popular right now. And back here, we have a boutique, Cactus Daughter. And then we have a vintage kimono section here. Things sourced from ancient kimono fabrics, made into jewelry, purses, etc.
Well, that's very cool, Brad. Thanks for showing us around. Maybe we check out the ice cream shop?
Yes, definitely.
All right, let's get a dip. So you guys are doing dip cones right now, and we had talked about this earlier, but as we go into the winter months, you guys are going to be switching it up. What are you going to do?
Of course, we'll keep the ice cream because, you know, the Texas heat doesn't stop in the winter. But we're also going to have some very exciting hot chocolates. Please stay tuned. Look forward to unveiling those.
All right, thanks for checking out Dip and Boerne Trading Company, where they've got 17 different vendors from around the area and some awesome dipped cones. Take a look at it while you're out here on a nice day walking downtown, and come say hi to Brad and Jenniffer.
Hi.